Hey everyone, welcome to day 9 of the 12 days of stickers. Today's kit was actually a kit that I really wanted to make. I've had this idea in my head about a kit specifically for this one, and it's just one of those kits that I just really wanted to make. And I didn't really, I kept forgetting to make one, and the perfect occasion came with the 12 days of stickers. So that is why I made it for this. It is the pizza kit. So this is one, I've literally had this idea in my head about a pizza kit and having it with dark black chalkboard tones. So this is day 9 of the 12 days of stickers, and this is one of the kits that I just really love the color scheme and the black chalkboard feeling to this. So this was literally the first kit I had designed for the 12 days of stickers. If you guys followed one of my TikToks, I did put a sneak peek of this when I was working on the sticker kits literally maybe 2 months ago. I was trying really hard not to just release this kit, but yeah, that is today's sticker kit. Also, make sure you check out the description for the deal of the day of the 12 days of deals, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 8.